One of the big things that we found with technology is it's also about business impact and focusing on how it can deliver value to the business and reduce cost.
Today, the event hosted in partnership with MTC was an opportunity to pilot our accessible industrial digital technology pop-up protocol. It was an amazing day where we brought together technology providers with manufacturing SMEs that could adopt those technologies.
The feeling that it takes a huge amount of effort and cost in order to implement digital technologies within a business. However, what we're trying to do or achieve with these events is to show that the small initial steps are achievable and cost effective.
We still operate a little in silos, so there's lots of great things that are going on in all these different departments, but we don't share that data. So it could be a real eye-opener to use these small partners to come in and look at our systems, see what we use and see how we can get more out of our systems.
Some of the barriers to adopting industrial digital technologies are concerns about cost, access to finance, so hence part of what we provided today was either solutions that were very low cost or had finance built in, or other sources as to how that technology could be financed.
The funding we can provide can be used to, if more staff need to be coming into the business or experts in certain areas, from machinery or just the software development as well of actually getting it in and getting those systems in place.
There's a lot of people that work for our business that have been in the business an awful long time. And to try and get those people to embrace new technology, new ways of doing things, is quite difficult.
The human factors are critical to any success. When you're sort of installing any of these products or services, you have to understand how it's going to impact on people, you have to understand how it's going to impact their jobs. If the information that they hold about that process or that machine or about that system is going to be huge, and you can't get that anywhere else.
There is a belief that automation and digitisation is going to remove people from the workplace. It's not. People are the key to making operations happen.
So a large barrier that we find is finding time, but we found that the MTC can really help cut that down by bringing us to the correct vendors that have a long-term project strategy.
An event like today is incredibly important to meet with SMEs and manufacturers who are looking for solutions and looking to be educated about what's possible.
Really valuable to come in and speak to the vendors. A couple of them we've seen were online only, so we wouldn't have met some of these subject matter experts today. So that's why these sorts of events for face-to-face interaction is so valuable.
It's really important for the leaders of SMEs to make sure that they set aside that time to look at elements of their business a little bit more strategically. I think engaging with the Made Smarter adoption programme is a really great way for SMEs to scaffold their digital journey.
IDT helps us reduce cost, reduce our carbon footprint, and overall help our local community to help them do better.